Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to create a video or a phone call on a Google Chat application by iOS or iPhone. So the first thing you have to do, open your Google Chat application. You can visit your app library if you cannot find the Google Chat on your home screen, and then in the search button here just type chat. And then it will pop up on the first row, a Google Chat application, and then you just need to double click it to open it. And to make a call or video phone call on a Google Chat, you just need to visit or open the your friends from chat that you want to call. For example, I have one friend here that I can call. So after you open it, you need to take a look on the top right corner. There will be two buttons right there, and then you just need to go click this camera symbols right here, and then there will be pop-up on options. Either you want to have the chat audio or chat video. If you want to have a video call, go click the chat video, and if you want to make a phone call, go click the chat audio. So that's the way how to create or how to make a call on Google Chat application. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you guys. So don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I will see you for the next video.